Okay, we're looking at the pool chlorinator. This is an AccuTab system. It uses calcium hypochlorite tablets, and it efficiently dissolves them to add chlorine to the pool water. This works in conjunction with the chemical controller. So when the chemical controller senses that the pool needs more chlorine, it sends a signal to this outlet that triggers the chlorinator to start feeding chlorine. And you can hear the device is getting a signal and chlorinating right now. Anytime service needs to be done, this switch allows you to interrupt that signal so that even when the pool is running, the chlorinator is turned off and you can access and service the device. Normal service is just going to be maintaining a full level of chlorine tablets in the chlorinator. Usually you want to have it at least about half full or more, and about once a year it'll probably need to be cleaned and descaled. So because it's a calcium-based chlorine, that calcium can build up and create scaling on the inside of the chlorinator. When that's done, you remove the entire top portion and you would descale the area below.